Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we discuss some most important question of industrial engineering previous year question paper. First question, Hungarian logarithmic is used to solve. Hungarian logarithmic is used to solve. Hungarian logarithmic. Transportation problem? No. Assignment problem? Yes. Constant nonlinear problem? So all options are wrong. Next, Northwest corner rule. Northwest corner rule is used to find initial feasible solution. So A is your right answer. Next, line programming with two variables can be solved graphically. Line programming with two variables. Two variables can be solved graphically. So A is your correct answer. Next, in a linear programming problems, the restrictions or limitations under which the objective function is to be optimized are called, that is, constraints. Next, which one of the following is not the solution method of transportation problem? Hungarian, yes, Hungarian is not the solution method of transportation problem. Next, when the when there are m rows and n columns in a transportation problem, degeneracy is said to be occur when the number of allocations is m plus n minus 1, that is option A, less than equal to m plus n minus 1. E is the right answer. Next, in a transportation problem, the material are transported from 3 plants to 5 warehouses. The basic feasible solution must contain exactly which one of the following allocated cells. So answer we calculated m plus n minus 1. Here 3 is m, 5 is n, so we calculate it and answer is 7. Next, modified distribution method is used for. Modified distribution method is used for transportation problem. Next, the purpose of the stepping store is to. The purpose of stepping store is to. So guys, here is 4 option. Develop the initial solution to the transport. Develop the initial solution to the transport, wrong. Identify the relevant costs in a transportation problem, no. Determine whether a given solution is not feasible, true. Assist one of the following from initial feasible solution to the optimum solution. D is the right answer. Next, same question. Simplex problem is considered as infeasible. Simplex problem is considered as infeasible when the artificial variable is present in basis. Simplex problem can be considered as infeasible when artificial variable is present in basis. C is right answer. Next, in order that linear programming techniques provide valid result, relation between factor must be linear, positive, right. Relation between factor must be linear, negative, right. So both is our right answer. Next, in a simplex method, the variable which have not been assigned the value 0 during the iteration is called as basic variable. Next, in linear programming problem, when does feasible change In linear programming problem, when does feasibility change? Visibility change when change in right hand side of feasible reason. When change in right hand side of feasible reason. Next, if there are m source and n destinations in a transportation matrix, the total number of basic variable in a basic feasible solution. That is option C, m plus n minus 1. Next, while solving a linear programming model, if a redundant constant is added, then what will be the effect on existing solution? That is, there will be no effect. Wrong. The solution space will get further constrained. That is right answer. Next. Following is not a method of solving a transportation problem. So, north corner method is a transportation problem, right? Least cost method, right? Vogel's approximate method, right? Dynamic method is wrong. Next. In a graphical method of linear programming problem, the optimum solution would lie in the feasible polygon. That is right answer is at one corner. Next, in a graphical solution of linear programming problem, the objective function line is parallel to the line representing constraint equation. Then the solution of problem. Graphical solution of linear programming problem. The objective function line in parallel to the line representing constraint equation. Then the solution of problem is feasible solution. A is the right answer. Next, if m is the number of constraint in a linear programming problem with two variables x and y, and non-negative constraint x and y is greater than 0, the feasible reason in graphical solution will be surrounded. सो गाइज इसका आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट, in linear programming problem the shadow price is, in linear programming problem the shadow price is, आंसर आपको दिखी गया है, द वैल्यू असाइंड 1 यूनिट कैपेसिटी. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is true about the initial feasible solution of simplex method? Initial feasible solution of simplex method, this that is, it is an optimum solution. Next, leaving basic variable in simplex method is the basic variable that, leaving basic variable in simplex method is basic variable that has lowest value, that has lowest value. नेक्स्ट, assertion दे रखा है, रीजन दे रखा है. Vogel's approximation method yields the best initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem. And reason दे रखा है, Vogel's method will give allocation to the lowest cost element of the whole matrix. So Vogel's लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग का जो मेथड है दैट इज वोगल्स अप्रोक्सीमेशन मेथड. सो आंसर सी इज करेक्ट, ए इज करेक्ट एंड आर इज फॉल्स. Simplex, in simplex method, if basic variables satisfy the non-negativity constraint, the basic solution is, in simplex method, if basic variable satisfying the non-negative constraint, the basic solution is basic feasible solution. B is our right answer. Next, a transportation problem will have feasible solution if only if. Right answer is A. Summation of denotes number of unit being supplied to the equal to summation of number of units being received. Number of unit being supplied equal to number of unit being received is the feasible solution of the transportation problem. Is your right answer. Next, the following is not true for linear programming problem. Following is not true for linear programming problem. So option A is objective function is expressed as linear function of variables, right? Source are not limited, wrong. Source are limited in a linear programming problems. Some alternative course of actions are also available. Decision variables are decision variables are interrelated, right? So यहाँ पर पूछा गया not true. So resources are not limited. That is true answer. Initial feasible solution of an optimization problem. Initial feasible solution of optimization problem. All basic variables are equal to 0. That is right answer. Next, quality control के question. Who among the following is associated with contributing to quality control in operations management? That is right answer is W. Edward Deming. W. Edward Deming. D is right answer. Next, the following chart shows the consistency of the process. R is shows the consistency of the process. Next, producer risk in acceptance sampling is chance of rejecting part by the customer of the supplied quantity. Next, C chart is based on one of the following. C chart is based on one of the following. That is number of defect per unit of the product. A is right answer. C chart. Next, TQM total quality management is related to quality control. Next, which one of the following shows the percentage of the area in normal distribution curve for plus minus 2 sigma limits? So B is your right answer. 95.45%. याद करने वाले टाइप के क्वेश्चन हैं सारे. इन सैम्पलिंग AQL stands for acceptable quality level. Acceptable quality level is stand for AQL. Next, manufacturer's risk is a product probability of. Answer is rejecting a good lot which otherwise would has been accepted, because in manufacture in the good sampling or lot sampling, only one lot and one sample is collected by the inspection team, and that whole product will decided only for whole product is decided to one piece of this product. Next, in operating characteristics curve abscissa x axis representage. तो ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है x एक्सिस परसेंटेज डिफेक्टिव्स को. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग chart indicates variability within the collected sample? That is sigma chart. Next, the probability law used for calculating the control limit of P chart, that is normal chart. Next, per chart the activity time distribution is, that is beta. Next, the total number of decision variable in the objective function of an assignment problem size n into n is, that is n square. Next, Gantt chart are used for, that is Gantt chart is used for production schedule. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.